Just a flying cat, nothing else. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just... No, come here. This is my favorite stuffy I have, named Tiny Kitty. It annoys my sister, and that's all. Enjoy the flying cat. Focus, camera. You have just been spun. Focus. There. Okay, I'm just gonna end the video when it hits about 3 minutes.